Shenzhen Alpine Mold Engineering Factory is established in 2005. It is located in Shenzhen, China, specialized in plastic injection mold and molding, die casting mold and die casting parts, silicone and rubber mold and products. Alpine Mold covers an area of 3,500 square meters, has over 100 employees working 2 work shifts. As a leading mold manufacturer in Shenzhen, Alpine Mold has a strong production capacity. In order to guarantee an excellent quality, Alpine Mold imported high-precision tooling machines from Taiwan and Japan, including 8 high-speed CNC machines. EDM includes 2 heads, EDM and mirror EDM, 11 wire cutting machine, and quadratic element measuring instrument. After 13 years of development, Alpine Mold's market has reached USA, Germany, Italy, Spain, UK, local China, and other countries around the world, and won great reputations from customers. Except mold making, Alpine Mold can also do injection for customers. Alpine Mold has 11 injection machines. The small one is 80T, large one is 450T. Alpine Mold consider quality, competitive cost, and punctual delivery as the primary business philosophy, committed to provide clients with quality products and overvalued services. Alpine Mold has its own enterprise culture. Army culture means execution. Family culture means that your business is also my business. The final one is school culture. Alpine Mold usually gather the workers together to study inside and outside our company. OEM orders are warmly welcomed.